They're about to be utterly disappointed in about 2 seconds.
I just hope that Aaron Sacrifice can pull out a victory. Like he's so good at. God, I hate this song. I hate everything about this. I hate him.
Look at that. I don't even know that.
What is he
I don't
doing?
even know that Malibu Stew has an actual law degree. I've had to have my own attorneys start looking into his law degree.
The challenger
Unrolling this,
from Hollywood, California.
what appears to be a sorry excuse for a red carpet. There he is.
By his agent, Bobby Storm.
Oh, look at, there's old cake face himself.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
He got.
Red White.
Yeah, I gotta be honest with you.
I am so sick and tired of these guys.
You know what disappoints me the most is he's a Hall of Famer.
Right?
You can't take that from him, but he's lazy. He's let Bobby Storm get in his head and manipulate him into becoming this. He has had Hall of Fame matches. His Hall of Fame career speaks for itself.
I went to war with Red Lightning. I tag team with Red Lightning. We destroyed the Midwest for almost 10 years. I don't know what this is, but it makes me sick.
I mean, to be fair, I am 1-0 against him.
Which is nice.
But this is awful. I'm hoping Aaron just comes out here and just makes short work of this, and we don't have to deal with this anymore.
I wish I did have one more match left to me because I'd like to beat the snot out of this guy.
I don't
I
know.
am so
After watching-
sick of him.
After watching that last month, I don't want to watch you do that again. That was dangerous. That was enough for me.
It was brutal. That Ghetto Gear Solid is wow.
Bobby Storm out here talking about his Best Actor award.
All right, kid, let's go.
Showtime crowd can feel it. Here he is.
His opponent is the Showtime Pro Wrestling Heavyweight Champion from Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin. Weighing in at 200 pounds. One top hit. Aaron Sacrifice.
You want to talk about the personification of the underdog overcoming the odds? You are looking at it right now in one tough kid, Aaron Sacrifice.
No denying, Aaron Sacrifice may be been the most loyal soldier in all of Showtime.
Just adversity after adversity and finding a way to overcome, and now he's the champion. And no one has earned it more than him.
I told him that he went into that tag match. That was going to be the end of everything. We were going to move past this. But, man, Bobby
Here we
Storm,
are.
Brad Lightning, antics, cheap-shotting me after that match. Aaron, thankfully, I mean,
They managed to weasel their way back
he
in.
agreed to give him this rematch, and I just hope it wasn't a big mistake. I'm hoping he just puts him away and we can move past this.
Well, if you have Aaron Sacrifice against Rad Lightning, I like Aaron Sacrifice's odds a lot. But when you factor in Bobby Storm, you factor in Malibu Stew, and whatever other tricks he has up his sleeve, it doesn't look good.
We know Bobby Storm has always got a way for Rad to get an easy way out.
Oh, you can almost guarantee they got something up their sleeve. They're going to do everything they can to walk out of here with that championship.
Look at that fake tan on Rad.
God, it's nauseating, isn't it?
Oh,
God, I would love to.
old carrot stick himself.
You want to talk about a punchable face? That is a punchable face. Go crawl back under your rocks, Stu.
Hey, that's the most intense
I'm
I've maybe
sorry.
seen Aaron look in a long time.
I know I'm a commentator. I'm supposed to be unbiased, but there's a couple things that kind of test that. One is when my son is wrestling, and two is when Brad Lightning is in there. I'm just tired of this whole. I know what he can be. I know, and it's just sick. It's sickening.
Hey, RJ, check his manager while you're at it. There you go. Yeah, check him.
That's unorthodox, but I can definitely agree with that.
Very warranted. Here we go. Aaron's ready.
He's always ready. He's 100% focused, but he's going to have to put his head on a swivel because you don't know what's coming and from what direction.
People might not realize these guys were once best of friends.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Oh. There we go.
Forget. Little cake face is going to come over here. He told me I can't be within 5 feet of him, but here he comes, walking this direction.
It's okay if he comes within 5 feet of you. That's on him. I believe that's called stomping a mud hole in him and walking it dry. And you love to see it. Here we go.
Aaron calling for the Bronco Buster.
Rad Lightning.
Typical Rad. Got to get out of the ring.
As sick as I am of Rad Lightning, and as much as I can't stand this whole thing, Rad Lightning
Here comes his little babysitter.
is a force. Rad Lightning is a wily, cagey veteran who can beat anybody.
Yeah, I don't disagree with you when it's Red Lightning.
Even Rad Lightning, unfortunately. Just more sickening about it. But he's smart. He knows how to get, he's an expert at getting in your head. Oh,
Aaron. Aaron, that man turned his back on you a long time ago.
Oh, I don't think Aaron is going to fall for this at all.
There's no way Aaron falls for this. I don't want to see you guys tag team again. Kick him right in the gut, Aaron.
Come on, Aaron. Don't fall for this. Well, he's not wrong.
He's not, no lies told there.
Spot the lie. I can't. He doesn't. Come on.
Don't fall for that, Aaron. No, Aaron. There's nothing to think about.
I know it's hard when you have a history with someone like that.
I knew that was coming.
Come on, Aaron. You're better than that.
Aaron's smarter than that. He knows that was going to happen. There we go.
Well, he definitely had an answer back. But it's hard when you have that long and storied history not to kind of fall into that nostalgia a little bit.
I don't blame. Typical Bobby Storm.
Oh!
Aaron's distracted here. Aaron, you got to pay attention.
I get it. Bobby Storm is someone you want to punch and slap around. I get it. But you can't turn your back on Rad Lightning.
It's a real clean backbreaker there.
And right there you see the veteran wiles of Rad Lightning. Even though he was close to the ropes, he made sure to tuck in that near arm. That way Aaron couldn't get to the ropes. Very smart, very cagey move. Now he's just going to make Aaron sacrifice, carry his weight. He's going to start to close down that carotid artery and affect the blood flow to his brain, putting Aaron in a bad way.
We saw Rad put somebody down like this.
Yeah, he already put Travis Lee down with this earlier tonight. A little bit of a modified version of that, but still very similar in effect. But Aaron's sacrifice is going to feed off this crowd. It's going to take more than that to put him down. Oh! Just when he started to gain some momentum, Rad Lightning is there to cut off. God, I hate this.
Got to give the devil his due. That was very smart, very smart.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, listen, old cake face is worried about me again. I live rent-free in his head. You know that? Rent-free.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Bobby Storm asserting himself.
Come on, RJ, turn around.
Much to the delight of the drunk frat boys here in the front row. Go crawl back in your hole. Oh, he's not
No
giving.
chance he's giving up.
No way he's giving up. That championship means everything to Aaron Sacrifice. Everything. He is going to fight tooth and nail to make sure he walks out with it. You get the Showtime faithful behind him. He is a force to be reckoned with.
I would argue he is Mr. Showtime.
No question, no question. There you go, kid. Oh! Ducked the first one, got caught in the second one.
I hate to say this, but Rad's looking really impressive right now.
He is always a threat to anybody he's in the ring with. I can't take that away from him as much as he disgusts me in every way imaginable.
When Rad takes himself seriously, he's one of the most dangerous wrestlers we have. But the thing is you don't know when he's living in fantasy land or when he's in serious mode.
Right. He has that ability to change that gear really fast.
Beautiful suplex. I hate saying that. Beautiful suplex.
Bobby Storm did not teach him that.
You can't put Aaron away that quick. Not that quick.
Ken Patera taught him that. Most of the crowd here at Showtime definitely solidly behind Aaron Sacrifice in his bid to remain the Showtime Professional Wrestling Heavyweight Champion.
Oh no. This is how we got here. This is how we got here.
The figure four.
Come on, Aaron.
Here we go, the Showtime faithful trying to get behind him.
Shoulders down.
What?
You know, if RJ looks over, Rad's shoulders are down too.
But Rad Lightning also knows that he's not paying attention to him, so he's just going to take this time to rest, relax.
Oh, Rad's looking for his babysitter again. Come on, RJ.
Come on, RJ, you're better than this. You're one of the...
Yeah. Oh, I thought for sure he saw him there.
He knows something's going on there.
Bobby Storm getting out of there just in the nick of time.
There we go.
How's that feel, Rad?
There you go. Turning the tables on Rad Lightning. And Bobby Storm pushing that bottom rope in so Rad Lightning can grab it.
Wish RJ would just throw him out of here.
As much as I can't stand him, you can't deny the benefit that Rad Lightning gets from having him at ringside.
Bobby Storm is quickly becoming, for better or worse, one of the best managers that we've seen here in a long time. It's just unfortunate that
he's a disgusting human being.
Very disgusting.
But he is effective.
He knows how to do his job.
I wish this was all of you morons.
There you go. Aaron Sacrifice taking offense to him insulting the crowd here. There's no better fan favorite than Aaron Sacrifice because he loves the fans just as much as they love him.
Rad taking control just as quick as he lost it.
There's that arrogance coming back to haunt Rad Lightning.
High knee miss, caught the top turnbuckle there. Rad might be in trouble.
Let's see if Aaron has enough left in the tank to take advantage and put Rad away.
Aaron suffered a lot of abuse here between these two.
But if Aaron Sacrifice has showed us one thing, he's shown us anything, is his ability to take punishment and somehow dig deep and come back out and pull out a victory.
I tell you, nobody's got a bigger heart in this whole building right now than Aaron.
There ain't nothing but heart on Aaron Sacrifice.
Man getting up here. Aaron, fist of fire.
Here's that second win he was looking for.
Oh! Come on, Aaron.
Oh, wow.
Put him away, Aaron.
The impact on that European uppercut. A second one.
Here we go, Aaron. Big house of fire.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Oh, no. Oh, no.
this is, there we go. Not like this.
Oh, come on. No. No, come on. It
Not
can't
like
be like
this.
this. How else would it be?
Typical
course it
Rad
is.
Lightning. Bobby Storm.
Come on, kid. Come on, kid. Head on a swivel.
Aaron, turn around.
Oh, no.
On the chair. That's not like this.
That's it.
You realize I'm going to have to deal with this, with these two, if this
Oh,
happens?
gosh.
We're never going to hear the end of it.
Come on, kid. Come on, kid.
Come on.
There we go.
Kicking out. Oh, Cake Face is so
There we
shocked.
go, right there. There's the heart of Aaron's Sacrifice once again. Somehow, some way, finding it.
That was real close, but we're still in it. Aaron's still in it.
That's why he's our champion right there. Nothing but heart on that kid.
Aaron looks to be in bad shape right now. Here's Rage. Rage is stopping
There we
Bobby
go.
Storm.
That away,
There we
Jason
go.
Rage.
Jason Rage. Bobby looks shocked. Absolutely shocked that Jason Rage is involved. Jason doing the right thing here, keeping this match as close as we can as fair.
He's just out here trying to make things.
Look at Bobby Storm taking liberties yet again.
I think RJ is starting to kind of come around here.
Oh, Jason Rage, there's that mask guy. We've seen him assert himself a couple different times here. What is he doing out here tonight?
What is he doing out here with these guys?
He's showing.
Oh, come on.
He is showing no favoritism in this. since he's
No,
been here.
no. Come on, no.
He's got Aaron Sacrifice in his sights.
This masked individual.
This guy's huge. Look at him.
Oh.
Hey. Did he? Kyle.
Yeah. I saw it. I saw it.
Rad Lightning just won the world championship.
I know who that is.
Kyle. It's going to be intolerable.
Come on.
It's a big.
Not like this.
This is
disgusting.
Unbelievable.
I know.
Kyle, I'm not sure what I just saw. What is going on here?
This is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Taking liberties with Aaron. They've already taken the title. You've already stolen it. You've already
stole the
stolen
title.
it.
He's stolen more than that.
It's a bigger story, I think, here, Kyle. I'm not sure what I just saw there.
Well, it's a
They're
claw
gonna-
slam.
There's no way, right? I mean, that's just a coincidence.
I hope it's just someone trying to get in my head.
They're going to hurt Aaron Sacrifice here. Oh! Somebody's got to come out and stop this. Kyle, Aaron's hurt here. Rad posing.
This is absolutely disgusting.
They've stolen the title.
Oh, what's he gonna do here?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is bullshit! What are you doing?
Oh my God. Salem Lasher. Salem Lasher just been unmasked.
See what we can do after, Kyle. See what we can do, Kevin. See the kind of power we have.
Kyle
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is bullshit.
This is
That's
absolutely
right. It looks like
shocking.
I'm going to be carrying another generation of Lashers to the promised land.
That's why I had back surgery from
Salem
carrying
Lasher
that
just turned
man.
his back on his dad.
After my match, I went in the back. I paced. I rocked back and forth. And I tore my hair out, wondering why I tried to do the right thing. Why I tried to do anything for any of the pathetic scum that sits in this ground. But you, last month, when we destroyed Ghetto Gear Solid, you gave me a taste of what it's like to be a true Lasher. What you raised me to be, what I was destined to become. Shut up! I needed a great mind like them. And these great minds needed a weapon. Exactly what you designed me to be. But not for them! Not for them! You may be my father, but if you get in my way, you will be nothing more than my enemy. You're with the champ now. Yes, sir, baby. And that goes for anyone else in that locker room. If you stand against me or us, you will be handled swiftly.
You guys are looking at the future of Showtime right here. The champion and Salem Lasher. We are unstoppable. Now we're going to go party.
I just got one more thing to say. Do not worry. This will not go to my head.
Well, I don't know if his head could get any bigger.
Kyle, I don't know what to say right now.
This is a nightmare. An absolute nightmare. Not like this.
You guys just went through an emotional war.
We just went to... We barely survived Ghetto Gear Solid, but him and I together were able to conquer that.
Rad Lightning has won the world championship here tonight. The Lashers have completely imploded here tonight. I don't even know what's happening. I got to deal with Bobby Storm's going to be intolerable. We got Salem Lasher on a warpath.
Be sure to check out Pro Wrestling on Facebook.